How do I receive money from Ally Bank? Intro. Hey there, you just got a big paycheck or a generous gift. You're excited to have that extra cash, but how do you actually get it into your hands? Ally Bank is a popular online bank, so let's dive into the different ways you can receive money from them. Question hook. Ever wondered, can I actually touch my Ally Bank money? Building context. Ally Bank is a great option for many people because of its competitive interest rates and online-only model. But since it's an online bank, there are a few unique ways to access your funds. Let's explore them together. Method 1. ATM withdrawals. The most straightforward way is to use an ATM. Ally Bank partners with Allpoint ATMs, which means you can find them in many locations across the country. Just look for the Allpoint logo on the ATM. To withdraw money, you'll need your Ally Bank debit card and PIN. Here's a quick tip. Check your Ally Bank app or website for the nearest Allpoint ATM to save time. Method 2. Bank transfers. If you have accounts at other banks, you can transfer money between them. Ally Bank offers both domestic and international transfers. To initiate a transfer, log into your Ally Bank account and follow the instructions. You'll typically need the recipient's bank name, account number, and routing number. Keep in mind that there might be fees associated with transfers, especially international ones. Be sure to check Ally Bank's fee schedule for details. Method 3. Check cashing. While it's not the most common method, you can also cash Ally Bank checks. To do this, you'll need to visit a physical location that offers check cashing services, such as a grocery store, convenience store, or check cashing business. You'll typically need to present your Ally Bank check, a valid ID, and possibly pay a small fee. Note that not all check cashing places accept Ally Bank checks, so it's a good idea to call ahead and inquire. Method 4. Bill pay. If you need to pay bills directly from your Ally Bank account, you can use their bill pay feature. This is a convenient way to automate payments and avoid late fees. Simply add your payees, their addresses, and the amount of each payment. Ally Bank will then send out checks or electronic payments on your behalf. Bill pay can be a great way to manage your finances and ensure timely payments. Method 5. Mobile check deposit. One of the most convenient features of Ally Bank is the ability to deposit checks using your smartphone. With Ally Bank's mobile app, you can simply take a picture of the front and back of the check and submit it for deposit. The funds will typically be available within a few days. Mobile check deposit is a great option for those who don't want to visit a branch or ATM to make deposits. Additional tips. Before using any of these methods, it's important to understand Ally Bank's specific policies and fees. You can find this information on their website or by contacting customer service. If you're having trouble receiving money from Ally Bank, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Conclusion. As you can see, there are several ways to receive money from Ally Bank. Whether you prefer the convenience of ATMs, the flexibility of bank transfers, or the ease of mobile check deposit, there's a method that suits your needs. With Ally Bank, you can access your funds whenever and wherever you need them. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.